Let's see how to make refreshing orange iced tea without sugar. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and click the bell icon for the notifications to come up whenever I upload new videos, and also don't forget to comment, like or dislike at the end of the video. Here I have taken 2 oranges and adding them to a blender along with 1 cup water and blending them well. After it is blended well, I am straining it and keeping it aside. Now let's make some tea. I have taken 1 cup water. Once you see it boiling, adding 2 mint leaves, a tablespoon of tea powder and 3 tablespoons of jaggery. Let this boil for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, remove it and let it cool down completely. After it is cooled, strain it and keep it aside. Now let's assemble the iced tea. In a glass, fill some ice cubes, then adding 3/4 part of orange juice and 1/4 part of tea and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. You may reduce it if your oranges are sour. And that's it, refreshing and delicious orange iced tea is ready to enjoy. If you like this video, leave me a comment and like. Also, if you are new to my channel or haven't subscribed, please do subscribe and click the bell icon to get notification on my new uploads. Thank you.